Morning. Beautiful day. Ensenada roads and an F450. With 2 coffees in hand, what could go wrong? And let's all know, 2 coffees in hand. Holding Ben's coffee after I made it because his camera's fogging up or something.
Alright.
Hold mine?
Oh yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, we out here. Today we're going to, right now we're going to La Manchon, or we're going to Walser's compound to drop off my razors and pick up his spec trophy truck. Mr. Walser, Mike Walser, is very, very kind, and he is letting me borrow his spec trophy truck to pre-run for the day. So I'm very excited, and should be good to see how this all goes down. Today's my first day riding with Rod, or Rod's riding with me. So fingers crossed I don't say anything and, you know, get beat, and it'll be a good day. Nah, he's not that mean. Morning.
Morning, guys. How we doing?
Good.
Good deal. Food right over here.
You missed all the good stuff yesterday.
It's camera day every day. You gotta be really careful what you say.
I know.
Yeah.
Be careful. He's listening to everything.
Yeah,
dude.
Everything. Have you heard about what this boy did?
Everything. He's listening the whole time. If you're sitting in his chase truck, he's listening.
Should we film that or no? I don't know, he might not be out. Sketchy. Biking around the world or something, probably. This is the wrong week to bike this road.
I'm gonna fire this up and let her warm up a little bit.
Okay. All right, so we're suiting up right now. Beautiful Valley T, gonna go run the coast, which I'm excited about. And we got the pre-runner, so got my boy Rod, and it's go time. Oh yeah. Any last words? How was it?
Good. It's nice being in a big truck.
Yeah.
Good day. Real good day. Good drive.
little smelly, dude. This has shakedown for the race, Toyo Tires, full day video shoot, and then a full day without being washed. How does it smell, bro?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Yeah, it doesn't look like they went up.
No.
See how it's right here? The coilover's like sliding off. Like it doesn't have like enough preload, but
Oh shoot, where did we do that?
As a tree.
Where's the insurance guy?
oh man, now I owe you.
This tree. It's the only one, all day long.
I know what you're talking about, yeah.
How'd she do that?
Well, I owe you a hood.
It was actually fairly close to the end.
Yeah, I know exactly what it
Yeah.
does.
Okay. I don't think they moved since we adjusted it.
We can measure it.
No, don't sweat it. I'll just have Todd come in here.
Yeah.
He needs to set them anyway, because we had to set them at the shop. And hopefully he has a spring cup and he can just fix it.
Yeah, but like, so when we,
or do anything.
this wasn't sitting on them when we first found it, yeah. Like that's what, if that's what you're saying with preload, like.
I gotcha.
The spring's been doing
Yes.
this.
Which we checked, like when it came down, I made sure it had, like it wasn't gonna.
We're okay.
Well, no, I just want to
We'll
make
get
sure
it
it's
fixed.
no.
We'll get it fixed.
I don't like breaking up
Explain to
and
you
stuff.
everything so we know.
I thought you guys were taking the shock off or something.
No, I took like the hood off, but I didn't want to like mess with it and like, you know, I just wanted to be like, hey, this is what I did. Sorry. What do you want me to do to fix it?
Just to be clear.
Not like pull in, drop the truck off. Good luck, see ya, bye, got everyone.
So the engineers online.
The doctor's online.
Ooh, no.
Oh, heck no. I feel like I watched a video about this once. I can give surgery. Yeah, dude. I mean, I'm pretty much a doctor. Based on, I watched some YouTube. You ever need like a new hip or something, Ben? I can do that. Yeah. Here, bro. Here. Right.
What do you think of that?
It's nice. It's right. I walk out in the morning. It's like, whoa, who's that guy? He's creeping me out. But no, that's just wrapping up the day. Tired, hungry. And smelly. I really smell. I'm not gonna lie. You probably could smell it through here, but wrapping up the day. Another good day with Rod. Really starting to get everything to flow now. So like it's getting to a point where I don't have to think about the notes and like, you know, me and Rod are getting to know each other where I can just kind of, it just happens. So it was good. Can't complain. Now we tomorrow, Mike Kim, who's gonna be riding with me in my spec truck. Spec Trophy Truck. He just got down here, so we're gonna go run a couple loops in my Razor with him, and then yeah, that's the plan. But as always, like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'm trying to think, yeah, we got tons of sick content coming up, even after the race. So if you don't subscribe, you better.